The ancient forest spirits have shown me a vision. Humanity is destroying nature, and retribution is coming! I have seen the future through the eyes of the old. The spirits of the trees warned me. The spirits showed me the future, but you are dealt to their pleas. You're destroyed! The guardians of the wild showed me what is coming. Deforestation, pollution, and nature's wrath. You humans think you own the earth, destroying nature. The spirits promise retribution. Spirits see the destruction you have wrought. Your crimes against nature will not be forgiven. Prepare for the reckoning. The Ancient Ones spoke to me in dreams. The end of human dominance over nature is coming. Revenge is coming soon. I bear a message from the spirits of the woods. They see the destruction, and nature is striking back. The future was revealed to me. Humanity's folly in ruining nature will lead to a reckoning. The forest spirits have foreseen your end. Listen well, for the old guardians showed me the greed that destroys our planet and nature's violent payback. A vision came to me from the heart of the wild. You have brought this ecological apocalypse, and we will have our revenge. The spirits weep for what you've done. You have destroyed nature, and now you will face the consequences. I was shown the day when nature rises.